The next one, students. Savita, a young girl in a drab pink dress, sits alongside an elderly woman, soldering pieces of glass as her hands move mechanically like the tongs of a machine. So, Savita is the name of a young girl, and she is drab pink dress. So she is in drab means your faded pink dress, sit alongside an elderly woman. वो एक aged lady के पास में बैठी हुई है, soldering pieces of glass. And what she is doing, she is doing the same work. She is doing the soldering work over there, or trying to stick these pieces of glasses as her hands move mechanically like the tongs of machines. और उसके hands इतने fluently work कर रहे हैं, it's like the tongs of machine. ऐसा लग रहा है tongs means चिमटे जो होते हैं machine के, she is doing work like that. I wonder if she knows the scantity of the bangles she helps make. So authors here describing over here that how perfectly she's making bangles over here, and she helps make it. Symbolize an Indian women's suhag, auspiciousness in marriage. And what is the significance of bangles in our country India? That in our country India, those women who are married, they have to wear, or it's like in some of the religions it's compulsory to wear these bangles, and this is like a symbol of suhag for them. It will dawn on her suddenly one day when her head is draped with a red veil, her hands dyed red with henna, and red bangles rolled onto her waist. She will then become a bride. And now, here, authors mentioned over here that presently that girl Savita, she is not married. So after some time when she got married, then she also it's compulsory for her to also follow these kinds of custom, like to drape her head with the red kind of a sari or veil, or to cover her face, and her hands are like dyed with red henna, और some kind of मेहंदी is putting on her hands. some red bangles जो हैं उसे अपने wrist में कलाई में पहनने पड़ेंगे. She will then become a bride, और तभी वो एक bride कहलाएगी. Like the old women beside her who became one many years ago. और उसके आसपास में जो old women हैं वो जिस तरह बैठी हैं अभी, वैसे ही वो भी बैठेगी. She still has bangles on her wrist but no lights in her eyes. इस औरत की जो लेडी बैठी है सविता के पास में, उसके पास आज उसके हाथों में बैंगल्स तो हैं, बट देयर इज़ नो लाइट इन हर आइज. मीन्स दैट लेडी लॉस्ट हर आई साइट ड्यू टू दिस वर्क. एक वक्त शेर बाहर खाना भी नहीं खाया. सो शी इज सेइंग दैट एक वक्त से उसने बाहर खाना भी नहीं खाया. शी सेज इन अ वॉइस ऑफ ड्रेन्ड ऑफ जॉय शी हैज़ नॉट एन्जॉयड इवन वन फुल मील इन हर एंटायर लाइफ टाइम. एंड वेयर हियर व्हाट हैपन्स कि इस लेडी ने अपने एंटायर लाइफ टाइम में कभी भी फुल मील इन्जॉय नहीं करा है. सो दैट इज़ द थिंग ओवर देयर. That's what she replied her husband. So ऐसा उसने अपने husband को कहा. An old man with a flowing beard says, I know nothing except bangles. और उसका husband जो है, your flowing beard means his beard is very flowing beard is written over here, students. That his husband is having a long beard on his face. And ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि उसने जो है इतनी जैसे अपनी उसकी वाइफ ने जो है कभी भी अच्छे से पूरे एंटायर लाइफ टाइम में फुल मील नहीं खाया है. सो जब वाइफ अपने हस्बैंड को ये सब मेंशन करती है, देन ही इज़ गिविंग रिप्लाई टू हर लाइक उसको सिर्फ ये पता था दैट एक्सेप्ट बेंगल्स देयर नथिंग is going on over there. All I have done is make a house for the family to live in. और उस वक्त जो husband है he explained over there that मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही रास्ता था कि मैंने अपनी family के लिए इतना ऑन किया दैट मैं एक घर बना पाया. Hearing him, one wonders if he has achieved what many have failed in their lifetime. So ये सब कुछ सुनकर ऑथरस को ये फीलिंग आती है कि if he is saying that he's trying to manage his own house to live in, then what about other people who are like engaged in this kind of work? सो कुछ लोगों के लिए इतना भी मुश्किल होगा दैट दे आर हैविंग देयर ओन हाउस. सो ही हैज़ अ रूफ ओवर हिज हेड, कैरी ऑन द बिजनेस ऑफ मेकिंग बैंगल्स. एटलीस्ट उसके पास अपना सर ढकने के लिए छत तो है, और उसने अपना ये बिज़नेस जो है बैंगल मेकिंग का इसे कैरी ऑन किया है. नॉट इवन इनफ टू ईट रिंग्स इन एवरी होम. सो ही इज सेइंग दैट लोगों के घर में इतना खाने को नहीं होता है, ना फूड नहीं होता, बट दे आर हैविंग रिंग्स इन. सो आप देख सकते हैं रिंग्स हियर मीन्स बैंगल्स आर देयर इन एवरी होम. द यंग मैन एको द लेमेंट ऑफ देयर एल्डर्स, लिटिल हैज़ मूव्ड विद द time. It seems in Firozabad, years of mind-numbing toll have killed all initiative and ability to dream. So जो young man है उसका आवाज़ जो है वो थोड़ी गूंजी, एंड हियर जो है उसके एल्डर्स हैं. सो लिटिल हैज़ मूव विथ टाइम. टाइम के साथ बहुत कम ही कंडीशंस जो हैं दैट आर लाइक चेंज्ड. इट सीम्स इन फिरोज़ाबाद में ऐसा लगता है. ईयर्स ऑफ माइंड नबिंग toil have killed all initiative, and these kinds of things kill the initiative of the people and the ability of the people to dream. Why not organize yourselves into a cooperative? I ask a group of young men who have fallen into the vicious circle of middlemen who trapped their fathers and forefathers. सो यह ऑथर्स जो हैं वो पूछ रही हैं कि क्यों आप लोग अपने आप को ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं रख सकते, कोऑपरेटिव नहीं रख सकते, सो दैट योर फैमिली कंडीशन विल ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव. आई आस्क अ ग्रुप ऑफ यंग मैन. उसने एक यंग मैन के ग्रुप से पूछा हु हैव फॉलन इनटू विशियस सर्कल ऑफ मिडिल मैन, जो कि they are sitting in the or they are in the vicious circle of middlemen who trapped their fathers and forefathers, जो कि जिस बिजनेस में उनके फादर और forefathers फंस गए हैं. Even if we get organized, we are the ones. Move on to next page, students. So here he is saying that she is saying that authoress, we are the ones who will be hauled up by the police, beaten and dragged to jail for doing something illegal. So he is saying that if you are doing something illegal, then police is there, and police dragged these people into jail. They say there is no leader among them, no one who could help them see these things differently. उन सभी के बीच में nobody is the leader. So कोई leader नहीं है. That is why they are not able to prove their point, or they are not here. They are not able to just doing some other things. Their fathers are as tired as they are. That means their fathers are doing the same work as they are doing. They talk endlessly in a spiral that moves from poverty to apathy to greed and to injustice. And here he is saying that, or those men who are sitting over there, they are saying that they are endlessly doing the same work of moving those spirals and making bangles out of them, and this poverty and this condition of greed and injustice is going on still with them from the generation. This is the situation where people are not able to cope up with that. So students,